If you want to turn off the message delivered tick marks on WhatsApp, it's important to know that you can only disable read receipts, not the delivered ticks. The single gray tick means the message was sent, and double gray ticks mean it was delivered. These can't be turned off. However, if you want to stop showing when you have read messages, meaning the double blue ticks, you can disable it. Just open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy, and scroll down to find Read Receipts. Turn that option off. Now, neither you nor others will see the blue ticks when messages are read. Keep in mind, this doesn't apply to group chats, and turning off read receipts also disables yours. And that's how you get a little more privacy on WhatsApp.